Okay, here's the ugly drum smoker build so far. Again, this is refurbishing an old drum with some of the things I wish I'd done the first time. I don't like the clash of the black lid, so I'm either going to add some black accents down here to match, or I'm going to order a different lid. This is porcelain coated. This is an actual Weber lid, and I've tried painting over it, but it's just too slick of a finish to hold any good paint, and I can't really rough it up. Anyway, on this I've done 1.5" copper pipe as my air intake. I did modify my Barbecue Guru Pit Viper fan a little bit to basically permanently have this. This is a Pro Press piece of copper, so it actually does have an O-ring inside, but it's just sort of a temporary set on there. The lid, I haven't done or finished the gasket yet, but what I've done in the past and what I'll do on this one is you can actually see the little holes remaining in the sides where I actually take a piece of lath, soak it so that it can be bent around, and then bend it around. One of the other issues I had last time was that this cart or rack roller deal, it wasn't attached, so it was kind of a pain, so I actually permanently attached it, and then I got some good rubber wheels rather than the hard plastic, so it rolls a lot smoother and it's not so loud when it's rolling around. I may again add some black accents down here, whether that's painting this black, the handles black, and things like that, or like I said, maybe I'll try to find another Weber lid of a different color. One of my biggest things I wanted on this was a charcoal door. It's just a real pain in the butt if you lose heat in the middle of the night, and so basically I toyed around with hinges and options and things like that, and I don't have a welder, and I haven't really done any welding, so it wasn't really an option for me. This seemed to work pretty good, and these were pretty cheap, and so just these 4 latches, barbecue lid latches is basically what they are, and then the door just comes all the way off. It's gasketed around. That piece is actually just, that piece of copper there is actually just an extra leg for the charcoal basket, which is currently up inside, because the other leg holders, which are those pieces there, the third one was right where I wanted to put this door. So that's just a piece of copper that sort of serves as a leg. There's the inlet for the air. I put an elbow on it so that it does sort of create a curve on there. I just finished the caulking on there. Obviously it's messy and ugly, but it's a smoker. So anyway, there we are for now. I'll do some updates as we go.